How to stop PDF files from automatically opening after download. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then click on the three dots at the top right and scroll down and search for settings and click on settings. After you're in settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on privacy and security. In privacy and security, scroll down and click on site settings. After you click on site settings in here, simply scroll down and click on additional content settings. In additional content settings, scroll down and you will find PDF documents. Click on it. After you're in PDF documents, make sure your dot is in download PDFs. After you do that, you can reload the page or open a new page and you're good to go. This is how to stop PDF files from automatically opening after download. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.